to explain integration by substitution. Then I will look for two more. There are two more I have seen here. So please call the example. Call it for me. Please now. Y is equal to what? Integrate what? Square root of what? 2x plus 1 dx. Do you understand? Now, which kind of integration will you do to solve this? See square root here. It is not product. It is not quotient. So what you will do here is integration by what? Substitution. Substitution in the sense that, in fact, let me break this a little bit. Let me break this down a little bit. So I can say that our y here can still be the same thing as the integral of 2x plus 1, right? Raised to our half. Is that so? Who agree with me? Now, integration by substitution, simply put, I am going to let this variable inside to be another letter. What do I say? I'm going to let this variable inside here, right? To be another letter entirely. Are we together? Fantastic. So that I can give me a variable. Give me another variable. Let me use t. Let t be equal to what? 2x plus what? 1. So of course, if I have done that, right? Good. All of a sudden, the t upon the x is going to be what? The t upon the x is going to be what? It's going to be what? Differentiate now. Thank you. It's going to be what? 2. If I differentiate 2x, I'm going to get what? 2. If I differentiate 1, I'm going to get what? 0. So what is the t? The t is going to be what? It's going to be 2 dx. Are we together? Are we together? Fantastic. Yes. So I can substitute everything here back into this particular function and integrate with respect to what? To t. Yes. For instance, my y will now become what? Integral of, instead of all this, I can put what? T. So it's t raised to what? Fantastic. 1 over 2. Now instead of the x, what do I have? Huh? So from here, I can even get the x as what? dt upon 2 is equal to what? dx. Is that also? See now, dt is equal to 2 dx. So which means the x is going to be what? dt upon 2. So instead of writing the x, I can put what? dt upon 2. Right? So as a matter of fact, can't I factor out 2 since it's a constant? I can. So I have 1 over 2 integral of what? T raised to 1 over 2 the what? dt. I can integrate with respect to the t here. So if I integrate, what am I going to have? Is t raised to 1 over 2 plus 1 divided by what? 1 over 2 plus 1. What is 1 over 2 plus 1? I think I can put my constant now. Plus k or c? Plus k. What is my constant of integration? What is 1 all over 2 plus 1? What is it? Somebody should talk to me now. Fantastic. So I have t raised by what? 3 over 2 upon who? 3 over 2. Fantastic. So I can flip this to this side now. Can I bring this to this side? Can I bring what is down to this place? Look, people. This is divided by 3 all over 2. Is that that not so? Is that not so?
Yes, sir.
Change it to multiplication, it will be what? 2 over 3. So why are you confused? Can't 2 go with this 2? Huh? Can't it go? It can. So you're left with what? What are you left with now? So you have 1 over 2, 1 over 3 rather, t raised to power 3 all over 2. What is your t? So I have 1 over 3 into 2x plus what? Raised to power what?
3 over 2.
Plus k. Becomes your answer. Who is confused? So by substitution, all you are substituted in doing is that the variable that looks strange to you, you should make it another variable, right? In this case, what we have done is that we take this variable that is inside, just like chain rule, when we are differentiating, we let this variable to be t. So we differentiated the t with respect to s, we get the t is equal to 2. For here now, we can make the t the subject, it is 2 dx, so that the x is just the t upon 2. What else can we do? We carry everything we have observed and put it back into the integral. Instead of 2x plus 1, we put t. Raised to power half, this is it. The x is now the t upon 2. We factor out 1 over 2 outside. Right? Now we have a certain variable t and we can integrate with respect to the t. Which we have done. We simplify and we will now bring back the value of t. The t is actually 2x plus 1, which is here. And mass becomes very simple. As simple as what? A, B, C, and D. Is mass not simple? Is it not fantastic? It's very simple and sweet. In fact, as a matter of fact, let me do this one quickly, then I will just give you 1 or 2, and then I will go. But let's be honest, this is not simple. You say? It's very simple variable. Now, if I'm using one variable, you think I like the variable. Let u is equal to what? 1 plus what? 2x. Therefore, the u upon the x is equal to what? Is equal to 2. So similarly like the previous, the u upon 2 is going to be what? The x. I'm going to take everything here and substitute it back. This function here, y is equal to what? U raised to power 15. Instead of the x, I have the u upon 2. Can't you see that this integral is now with respect to the u? Is that not so? All I need to do is very simple. I will just push out 2, since 2 is a constant. So I have y is equal to 1 over 2 integral of what? U raised to power 15 du. What is integral of u raised to power 15? Is what? Is u raised to power what? 16 upon what? Plus constant what? K. All I need to do is to replace u with what? Simple. So I have 1 over 2. Instead of this, I can put what? I can put what? 1 plus 2x upon what? 16. Raised to power what? 16. Plus what? K. Simple. How do I get 16? How do I get 16? 15 plus 1 upon 15 plus 1. Are we together? Fantastic. It is what? Very, very simple.